Hello guys, I'm Nikhil. Today we are going to learn the different features in a sweep or sweep section. For that, open new file, then select the unit MMNS part solid. Now, for sweep, we need to give one trajectory line or trajectory curve. So, I'm going to draw a trajectory curve on the front plane, trajectory line, or we can say the guideline. I'm going to use this plane as a guideline. Yeah. For example, this is my trajectory or a guideline. Okay. Uh, First, we are going to see a single guideline or single trajectory with one section. Okay. Open a command and select the curve or a trajectory. Now, this pink color line indicates that the sketching plane over this point. Or if I want to change the location, then just simply click this point. Yeah. Now the sketching plane is changed to this, and we need to draw a cross section over this point and normal to this curve. For that, go to sketch. Okay. These two horizontal line will indicate the center point of this curve or a trajectory. For that, I'm going to use a circle as a cross section, close circle. Okay. Then give a dimension required value. Okay. Click OK after that. Yeah. Now we can see the material is added along this curve, and now we are going to see the difference feature in a sweep. For that, open a reference. Now we are going to see the how material flow is taken along this guideline and how the cross section will change along the guideline. Now by default there is one selection, normal to trajectory. The cross section is normally along this along this guideline. If you want to change the selection, for that I want the cross section along the projection, normal to projection. I want my cross section along normal to this plane. Now we can see the cross section is normally added every point to this plane. Yeah, now we're going to see the constant normal direction. For that we need to give the normal plane. Yeah, now you can see the material is added along this plane normally. Now we're going to see the two trajectories in a single plane. For that I want to draw another guideline, another guide curve in another sketch, different sketch. For that I am offsetting this plane at a distance of 100 mm, 150 mm. Okay, and I'm going to draw a curve on this plane. For example, my curve is a straight line. Okay, now here are the two guide curves. Okay, for a sake of time I am going to off this plane and everything. Okay, now open a command and select the first curve, press Ctrl and select the second curve. Yeah, now the arrow is here means the cross section will add it over. If you want to change the point of the plane, then click over this and click again to sweep to the next point. So now we can draw the cross section over this point, then select the sketch and draw a curve. For solid we need to add a close cross section. Yeah, now we can see the material flow is taken along the two guidelines with normal to the trajectory. The selection we are going to see the another section, that is constant normal direction. Yeah, now we can see the material is constant to this. Now the cross section is normal to this plane. and along this direction. From here we can control the cross section over this plane. This button will allow to change the cross section along the trajectory. If you want to remain unchanged, for that we need to switch over this. So we can see now the entire curve or entire material flow is taken along this cross section only. If you want to allow to change the cross section, then allow for this button. And now we're going to see the sweep for a surface. For that, first we need to draw a trajectory line, same as a solid. Okay, then open a command and select the required point as a point of the normal plane. And for a surface, any cross section is allowed, closure cross section and also the open cross section, both can be swept. For example, I am going to sweep this open cross section. Here it is message come that automatically changes to surface. Okay, yeah, now we can see the surface is extruded or swept along this guideline or a curve, and same selection is also, that is normal to trajectory, normal to plane or direction, or yeah, or normal constant to normal direction. And here is another option, merge and for merge and we need to draw the close cross section. For example, I am going to draw a circle as a cross section and change to surface. Here is option, that is end caps. Now you can see the cap of this sweep is quite closed up, or if you want to unselect this, the open section is there. If you want to on, the cap is generated or the faces get closed up. Now we are going to see the material removed by a sweep. First we are going to see the material removed by a sweep surface. On the base also the surface. First I'm going to draw the trajectory first. Okay, then open a command and select the trajectory and draw the cross section. Now I'm going to draw the closer cross section, example like this. Okay, yeah. Now, okay, we need to change the surface, then the material remove, and we need to select the surface of the face. And now you can see the material is get removed and this cross section is followed by that guideline. Okay, now we are going to see the sweep material remove. For that I already drawn the guideline, and now we are going to draw the cross section. For a solid we must draw two closed cross section only. For that I am using the circle as a cross section. For example, 75 mm is a diameter. Click OK after that and click this button, that is remove material. And now you can see the material is get removed along this trajectory and the cross section is followed over the trajectory. If you want to change the material flow along the constant normal direction or a projection, for example I want a projection or normal to this guideline, or I want constant normal direction, I want normal direction along this plane. Yeah, now you can see the cross section is normally get cutted along this plane. And in options there is a end merge. For end merge we need to select only along the trajectory and select the end merge. Now you can see the end gate is extruded and material is get cutted along this trajectory. Now you can see this sweep as a thickened sweep, or thickness we can add over the sweep section. For example, first we need to draw a spline or a guide curve, then select a sweep and select the trajectory and draw a cross section. For thickness, any cross section we can draw, like open cross section or a closed cross section. I'm going to draw the open cross section. Now there is automatically changes to the surface. If you want to solid, then we need automatically switches to the thickness. Now you can see the thickness is added inside of that cross section. If you want to change the direction, then direction also possible. The three types of the direction we can add. Now it is added normally to the cross section. Now it is added inside of the cross section. Now it is added outside of the cross section. The three types are possible. Thickness is added to open cross section. Now we are going to see the for the closed cross section. I'm going to delete it. Then, for example, this is a closer cross section. Now you can see the same thickness is added for the closed cross section also, and the material flow is taken along the trajectory. From here also we can change the material flow conditions. Now we're going to see the trajectory as a projected curve or a offset curve. For that, first we need to draw the one object. Okay. For example, yeah. Suppose this is the upper surface of the object, like this. Then I'm going to extrude along the symmetry. Okay. Now I'm projecting this outer edge on that plane, and I'm giving the sweep to that trajectory. For that, first we need to project this curve. For that project, then here it is along the normal surface, this curve along this surface. Yeah, click OK. Now you can see the curve is generated. The curve is generated at the center. Then select this sweep and select the curve. Then now we can see the curve is activate. Now if you want to change the direction, then also possible. Then draw the cross section. For example, a rectangular cross section. Click OK. Now here we can do the two types of the material addition or a material remove. Both are possible. That is positive or negative sweep. For example, I want negative sweep. This is also possible, and the flow and flow also possible. For example, I want constant to normal direction, like this. Now you can see the cross section is a constantly added along this normal direction. Uh, or if you want to add the along the projection line, for example along this projection, and this is for the if there is another or a second curve, then the flow control is will taken. Now we can give a thickness also. Yeah, like a groove, and there is a inside outside neutrally added, everything is possible. Okay. So that's it. Thank you.